Hello, and welcome to NobleMind Cast.
I'm Nova.
And I'm Alex. Keep growing your mind. Today's topic is very important.
We are talking about introducing yourself in English.
This is the first thing people ask you.
What is your name? Where are you from?
Simple questions, but many people freeze.
Don't worry, we will help you today.
Let's start with the basics.
The first phrase is, my name is. Try it. My name is Alex. My name is Nova. Easy, right?
Now let's add more.
I am from. Tell people where you are from.
I am from New York.
I am from California.
Short, simple, clear.
But wait, there are more ways to say this.
You don't have to say I am from every time.
Try this. I was born in Mexico, but I live in New York.
This sounds more natural.
Or say, I'm originally from India, but I moved to Canada.
Originally from. This is a great phrase.
It tells people your background.
And it tells people where you live now.
Let's practice. I was born in California, but I live in New York now.
I'm originally from Texas, but I moved to Canada 3 years ago.
Beautiful. Try your own version at home.
Now let's talk about common mistakes.
Many beginners make these mistakes. Don't worry, it's normal.
Mistake number 1.
People say, myself Alex.
This is wrong.
The correct way is, I am Alex, or my name is Alex.
Never say myself. Always say myself as one word, and only in certain situations.
For example, let me introduce myself. My name is Nova.
That is correct. But just myself, Alex? No, that is wrong.
Mistake number 2.
People say, I am having 28 years.
This is also wrong.
The correct way is, I am 28 years old.
Simple, clean, correct. Mistake number 3.
People say, I am doing job in a school.
The correct way is, I work at a school, or I am a teacher.
These small changes make a big difference.
People will understand you better, and you will sound more confident.
Now, let's talk about what you do.
Say, I work as a, or I am a student.
I work as a teacher.
I am a student. I study English every day.
See how easy that is?
You don't need big words.
You just need the right words.
Now, let's add something personal.
Talk about what you like.
Say, I love, or I enjoy.
I love cooking and watching movies.
I enjoy hiking and listening to podcasts.
This makes the conversation friendly.
People remember you when you share something personal.
Okay, now let's put it all together.
Watch how Nova introduces herself. Hi, my name is Nova. I was born in India, but I live in California now. I work as a teacher. I love cooking and spending time with friends. Nice to meet you.
Perfect. Short, friendly, natural. Now Alex will do the same. Hey, I'm Alex. I'm originally from Texas, but I moved to New York. I'm a student. I enjoy hiking and listening to podcasts. Great to meet you. Beautiful. Did you notice something?
We used simple words.
No difficult grammar.
Just natural English.
Now it's your turn. Let's practice together.
Repeat after me slowly.
My name is. I am from, or I was born in. I work as, or I am a student. I love. I enjoy. Now say the whole thing together.
Great job! You just introduced yourself in English. Say it again tonight. Say it out loud. Practice makes perfect.
Now here is your quiz question.
Which one is correct?
Number 1, myself Alex.
Number 2, my name is Alex.
Think about it. Write your answer in the comments.
We read every comment, and we will reply to you.
Let's do a quick review.
First, say your name. My name is.
Second, say where you are from. I am from, or I was born in.
Third, say what you do. I work as. I am a student.
Fourth, add something personal. I love. I enjoy.
And remember, avoid common mistakes.
Don't say myself. Don't say I am having years.
Speak simply, speak clearly, speak confidently.
That's it for today's episode.
Practice your introduction at home tonight.
Say it out loud.
Say it with confidence. You are doing amazing. Keep growing.
This is Alex.
And this is Nova.
From NobleMindcast.
See you in the next episode.
Keep growing your mind.